So for every single one on this entire page, I want the equation. Y equals. So when you look here and you go through, it says $2 and it says earn. Earn means plus each. So that means you know that's the one with the X, which means this is the start. And then Y equals. That's all I want for that one. Okay? The next one. Well, I gave you the pattern. I gave you the start. So Y equals 0, X minus 3/4. But if you want to be fancy, Y equals negative 3/4. Okay? If you look at this one's a lot more work because I don't have a pattern and I don't have a start. So I'm going to take this number and put it here. If you look, this is getting bigger by 2, but this one's getting smaller by 2. 2 over negative 2 is negative 1. That's my pattern. Morning. Now I need to find the start. So I'm going to pick one of the points. I'm going to pick this point. Once I pick this point, Y equals mx plus b. This goes in for Y. This goes in for m. This goes in for x. And then I solve. I have my pattern, I have my start, and I write the answer. But if I want to be fancy, this is what I want. Now I'm going to go to the next one. I have my pattern. Now all I need to do is get my start. So Y equals mx plus b. This point, the Y goes in there. The m goes in there. The point goes there. Plus b. Anything times 0 is 0. B equals negative 13. I have my pattern. I have my start. Now I want you to see, I actually didn't have to do that because this was a 0. Since this was a 0, boom, that was my start. So I didn't even have to do that work. Let's go to the next one. Da-da-da-da-da, parallel. As soon as you see parallel, you take the slope and you dump the rest. Now this problem is just like this one. Y equals mx plus b. Your y, your m, your x, plus b, and you're just solving. I have my pattern, I have my start, done. This problem is the exact same thing as this problem. The only difference is there's a fraction. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. Y equals mx plus b. Take the y, take the m, take the x, plus b. 3 divided by 9 is 3, 1 negative. Add 3. B equals 2. Now I have my pattern, I have my start. I'm done. Okay? Let's go to the next one. In this problem here, I see the pattern here is plus 3, plus 3. And then I don't have the numbers here, so I have to figure out what's in the middle of 1 and 7. So the middle is 4, and the middle is 10. So this is also plus 3, plus 3. Now my slope is y over x, so I just got my m. Now the great thing is, I see my 0 right here, so boom, I can go straight to writing the equation. And I'm done. I'm actually going to change this positive 2 to a negative 2. Okay? So if you look here, these are both the exact same thing. Well, I could actually do that one right away. What does x equal? Negative 2. Ladies, I'm recording. Last one, I have a picture, so I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 15. My pattern is plus 4, plus 4. So to get my 0, instead of adding 4, I have to minus 4. So that's 3. Since it's tiles, T of n equals 4n plus 3.